Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these solar powered landscape spotlights. So these can also be installed on a fence or on the side of your house, wherever they could be. It has these little screws for that. And then they also come with these little mounting stakes. So if you want to highlight something on your house, perhaps your address or something, if it's not lit up, you could just have one of these little spotlights shining up on there. So these stakes, you just push them into the ground, or they can be hammered in the ground. And then this goes right on top of the stake like that. It has a 2-pack because there's 2 of these lights here. Here's one. And super sleek and kind of futuristic looking. They have this whole top portion, of course, is the solar panel, and these are light sensitive, so they come on during the nighttime and they go off when it is light out. So these screws just go right through here, just like this. They just screw on there, and that allows you to adjust whatever height you want, and then you just tighten it down once it's reached the desired height or elevation or point that you want to. So that's pretty cool. I'll turn it on and turn my light out here, and it should be coming on here unless the battery hasn't charged. And looks like I got one that doesn't have a charged battery yet. So sometimes they ship them and the battery's already working, and then you can see just how bright it is and stuff. Let's just have a little power button there on the bottom. Unfortunately, that's not the case. I'm going to try this other one real quick and see if this one has a charge or not. Aha! So there we have it. This one does have a charge, and we have this nice little red LED here. This can be adjusted, so whichever light that you want, whether you want green or blue or yellow or pink or light blue or light pink, just a whole bunch of different. You have it also fluctuating between the colors, like they call it like breathing, so RGB lighting. That's really cool. And then it also has just the white light, I believe. Which one is the white one? I was like, there we go. So just white light also. Really cool LEDs. They're actually pretty bright. As you can see, it lights up the whole area there. Let's see, what's the little thing there? Anyway, so light sensitive. If it's dark, it's going to come on there. Maybe the monitors are triggering the light, so it's not turning, it's turning off or whatever. But yeah, really cool. We're going to set these up in my backyard, so you guys can check them out, see what they look like in the actual lighting there. And then when I turn the light on, then they go off just like that. So they got the light sensitivity triggers or whatever, I forget the technical term for them. So let's go set these up in the backyard and show you guys how bright they are. They're super bright actually. All right friends, so here's our side yard now. And you can see they throw out a lot of light right here. That's nice. And then we have the 2 over here as well. Just really illuminates the area. You can see it works really nice. And then if I just want a different color on these, right, we can just hit that button on the bottom. If I want red, green, all the different lights here. Actually go over here, it's a little bit darker here, and we can just see on the ground here. Right, there's a red one. This one actually it breathes, so it's going to cycle through all the colors there. But really illuminates my side yard here. And like I said, whatever color you want, it's pretty much got it. and I can see clearly now to walk in my backyard here. There's plenty of light now, so you can see they throw out quite a bit of light. So really happy with these lights. They work great, haven't had any issues. So yeah, I hope this is helpful. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends, and have a great day. I will see you next time.